everyone, given a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a, you are going to make cos of a the subject of the formula. So how do you do that? First of all, we are going to negative 2bc cos of a the subject, and then we subtract a square on both sides as follows. So making 2bc cos of a positive by taking it to the other side and taking a squared on the other side, we will have this result here. Then we divide by 2bc both sides. So we shall have b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. In case you want to obtain the angle at A, you take cos inverse both sides so that you obtain the following. So angle A will be equal to cos inverse of bracket b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So that is how we can make angle A the subject of the formula by first of all making 2bc cos A positive by taking them to the left hand side and making a squared negative by taking it to the right hand side. Then from there we have divided by 2bc here, and after that now finally we have taken the cos inverse both sides. When you take cos inverse of A, you will be left with the angle at A. Cos inverse of this, you simplify them depending on the values you are given in the equation. Bye bye for now. See you in the next study. Thanks so much for taking time to study with me.